News headlines. Government issues revised guidelines for COVID-19 lockdown. Meghalaya's lone 69-year-old COVID-19 patient dies. And COVID-19 cases in India crosses 11,400 after 1,074. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA OINAM giving you the news in details. A day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the extension of COVID-19 lockdown, the government today issued revised guideline to be followed till May 3rd. Travel by air, rail and road, operation of educational and training institution, industrial and commercial activities, hospitality services, cinema halls and shopping complexes will remain closed as per the order issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs MHA on Tuesday. According to media report, the social, political and other events and opening of all religious places will also remain closed till the time the lockdown is enforced, said the order. The use of homemade face covers at workplace and public places has been made mandatory. The officers have been asked to provide sanitizers, run staggered shift, ensure access control and put in place thermal screening as per the revised guideline. The guideline was issued after Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday morning announced extension of the 21-day lockdown for another 19 days until May 3rd to contain the spread of the novel coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic. Meghalaya's first COVID-19 patient, a 69-year-old doctor, passed away this morning. According to a report, the senior doctor from Bithani Hospital in Shillong had tested positive for COVID-19 on Monday. 6 relatives of the deceased COVID-19 patient of Meghalaya have been confirmed coronavirus positive. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has confirmed this. On the other hand, Assam registered 32nd COVID-19 positive case as confirmed by Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. The latest positive case is a woman from Dhubri district and she is the wife of COVID-19 positive patient who is connected with Nizamuddin Markaz. The swab sample of Tripura's first COVID-19 positive patient tested negative in the second test. Confirming the news, the health officials said the test was conducted Monday last. As the extended lockdown begins, the total number of coronavirus cases in India has risen to 11,439 after 1,076 fresh COVID-19 infections were reported in the past 24 hours, according to the latest data from Health Ministry. Reports said fatalities from coronavirus in India have gone up to 377, with Maharashtra topping the tally with 178 deaths. On the other hand, 1,305 patients have been cured of the virus or discharged. In terms of total number of cases, Maharashtra is the worst affected state with 2,687 coronavirus cases. Tamil Nadu 1,204, Telangana 624, Rajasthan 969, Madhya Pradesh 730 and Gujarat 650 are among the other worst affected states. The coronavirus is affecting 210 countries and territories around the world. The positive cases rose to 20,336 with 1,26,760 deaths and 4,84,757 being recovered so far, according to reports. The coronavirus death toll in the United States crossed 25,000, with the country witnessing the highest single day tally of 2,129. New York City, the hardest hit U.S. city in the coronavirus pandemic, revised its official COVID-19 death toll sharply higher to more than 10,000 to include victims presumed to have perished from the lung disease but never tested. Now it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Khanghanjaba, Lamzingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited na Hogzik Oiriba Kudong Chadba Kaya Sigi Yenglaga, Miyamgi Damag Hospital Asigi, Maternity Ward Pung Kunmari Hangduna, Miyamgi Tawal Taujaragani, Adumakpu Hospital Asigi Atopa Department Singdi Service Lepchagani, Hospital Asida Laktune Mamangda, Makhada Pizariba contact number Asida Hanana, appointment Lobiu Amadi Patient Kamui Amadagi Hena, Loina Biraktanaba Khanghanjari Jariba Lamzingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rim Southgate Kombinate Kaitel, contact number 8258 967890.
Welcome back after the break. Under the initiative of Manipur Bhavan Delhi, distribution of dry ration to stranded Manipuris in Delhi started yesterday. Resident Commissioner of Manipur Bhavan Delhi told Tom TV that it was a joint initiative of voluntary contributions. The Bhavan distributed items to around about 200 students in Gurugram and 100 students in Basant Kunj area of the national capital. Distribution of ration will continue today and tomorrow. Those who are in need of ration should send a WhatsApp message to the Resident Commissioner, mobile number 9899969618. Once again, the mobile number is 9899969618 according to our Delhi correspondent. A cadre belonging to the proscribed outfit RPF PLA was arrested by Thawal Police Commando today around 5:30 a.m. at Langthabal, Kunau under Khongjom Police Station in the Thawal district. Police identified him as Mayang Lambam Rajiv Singh, alias Ibomcha, alias Angam, aged 32 years of Kakching Kunau, Hizam Maning Laikai. He joined the outfit in June 28, 2002 under 1 Leshemba. He got 45 days military training at Kongtal Training Center, got Army number 2473. He was handed over to Khongjom Police Station for further legal action, a police report said. A 24-year-old nurse from Manipur's Yaripur currently working at Max Hospital in Delhi has been tested COVID-19 positive. The hospital authority has taken her to a quarantine center for further medical treatment and that samples of 10 individuals who were in contact with the patient will be tested, official sources said. Sangayumpam Jila Parishad member under Thawal district Mohammad Hibjur Rahman has urged the state government to ensure adequate availability of basic essential commodities such as rice and other food items to the public. He further said that the public supports the government advisories to combat the coronavirus pandemic. He, however, expressed unhappiness that basic commodities are not available adequately. He said this during the distribution of essential commodities to around 3,000 households under the Gram Panchayat. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, Ngangkhalawai Jila Parishad and Gram Panchayat members jointly distributed edible items to several households in Tronglaubi, Dera Khongsangbi Gram Panchayat today. Jila Parishad member M. Kananbala Leima, Pradhan L. Basanta, Upa Pradhan K.H. Brojen and former Jila Parishad member M. Birchandra Maitei took part in the distribution of the commodities to around 2,000 households in the area. Northern Student Club Kundrapam Awang Laikai distributed essential commodities such as rice, pulses, soap and other kitchen items to around 33 households today. It may be mentioned that the volunteers of the club started raising relief fund on April 10 to help people during the coronavirus lockdown. COVID-19 Relief Committee Nambol Khori Laikai Nambol Khori Laikai Yaipabi and Marup Khori Laikai Chaukat Khongthang Nupi Marup today distributed essential commodities to the needy families, including people staying in rented houses. Yaipabi Marup Secretary T. Premita and President M. Bilasni led the distribution of potatoes, sugar, stole edible oil and vegetable at Nambol Khori Laikai Bazaar by maintaining social distancing norms to 190 families. Iringbam Gram Panchayat under Nambol City Block, Bishnupur District today distributed essential commodities to households under the Gram Panchayat. The essential commodities were distributed at the doorstep by a team led by Pradhan of Iringbam Gram Panchayat, Iringbam Gopen Ward member and volunteers. Pradhan I. Gopen assured more assistance from the Gram Panchayats. He also urged the residents to maintain the social distancing norms and stay at home to combat the coronavirus pandemic. General Officer Commanding Spear Corps, AVSM, SM, VSM, Lieutenant General R.P. Kalita extended his warm greetings to the people of Assam and Manipur on the joyous occasion of Rongali Bihu and Cherauba Festival through a press release. The General Officer also complimented the people of Northeast for their remarkable efforts in their fight against the COVID-19 pandemic and assured all assistance from the Indian Army towards this cause. US President Donald Trump said today he has instructed his administration to halt funding to the World Health Organization over its handling of the coronavirus pandemic while his administration reviews its response to the global crisis. According to media reports, Donald Trump at a White House news conference said the WHO had failed in its basic duty and it must be held accountable. He said the group has promoted China's disinformation about the virus that likely led to a wider outbreak of the virus than otherwise would have occurred. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. India extends world's biggest coronavirus lockdown till May 3. Chief Minister appeals all to support extended lockdown. Disease strikes cattle. It's foot and mouth disease, says veterinary director. COVID-19 lands at Nagaland, Meghalaya. 11 family members of AI pilot to be tested. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister calls for supporting lockdown till May 3. Modi's traditional Manipuri scarf grabs attention. Northeast people will be more immune to COVID-19. Here's why. Death toll in India rises to 353. Trying to control foot and mouth disease. Nothing to panic. Doctor becomes first COVID-19 case in Meghalaya. 11 contacts traced in Imphal. Imphal Free Press. COVID-19. Prime Minister announces extension of lockdown till May 3. Chief Minister Birain appeals to support lockdown extension.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Government issues revised guidelines for COVID-19 lockdown. Meghalaya's lone 69-year-old COVID-19 patient dies. And COVID-19 cases in India crosses 11,400 after 1,074. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.